Welcome to the Freemotion circuit of integrated functional strength training equipment. In this video, you'll learn more about each Freemotion machine and how you can use them to enhance your client's training experience to make them members for life. So let's get started. The first thing I'd like you to consider is why gyms exist today. Why do people come to a place to walk on a treadmill that doesn't go anywhere? Lift steel plates and dumbbells for the sake of lifting something heavy. Gyms were created as an artificial place for people to move. With all our technological advances, we just don't move anymore. We live in a chair-bound society. Most people get up in the morning and sit down and eat breakfast, sit in the car and drive into work, sit behind their desk for 8 hours, then sit in the car as they drive to the gym. When they're here at the gym, we have them sit and we load them up. So how has the gym changed? 30 years ago, the people who went to the gym were bodybuilders and athletes. They worked out with free weights on benches. Today's clientele is much different. There's the older adult population, the deconditioned, women, young athletes, etc. The tools that work for bodybuilders aren't going to work for everyone else. Equipment needed to change with the times. Now we have treadmills, ellipticals, stair climbers, selectorized weight machines, stability balls, and resistance tubes. Different equipment to meet different needs or to achieve different results. Freemotion isn't just another category of equipment on the gym floor. It's a way for you to take your expertise as a trainer to create, design, and deliver programs to help people reach fitness goals. It's another tool for you to enhance your client's fitness experience and get results more efficiently. Let's consider why your client is coming to you for training. Every answer may be different. They may want to lose 10 pounds before their wedding, improve their golf or tennis game, build up their strength and energy to keep up with their kids, or lose weight after having a baby. Ultimately, everyone wants to look, feel, or perform better. As a trainer, they are looking to your knowledge to help them achieve their goals. Freemotion equipment is a platform where you shine, where you can differentiate yourself from other trainers with programs that translate to everyday life. There are many features of the Freemotion line that make it different from any other strength training tool. The first thing you'll notice is that it's functional. You're able to perform multiplanar, multi-joint movement patterns. Non-functional or fixed isolated equipment has handles or pedals that you push or pull in a specific movement pattern, isolating one muscle group to build strength in that muscle group only, moving in one plane of motion. Freemotion uses a cable and pulley design that gives you the freedom to move through virtually any movement pattern the same way we do in real life. We live in a three-dimensional world where our bodies push, pull, bend, lift, and twist through many planes of motion in life and sport. Various muscle groups in your body work together to open a heavy door, put groceries in the car, or swing a golf club. Freemotion allows you to add resistance to these everyday movements so clients can carry that strength over into daily activities. As a trainer, this gives you the freedom to use your imagination when building a program for your clients. Depending on your client's goals and level of fitness, you can develop programs to help them enhance any movement in life or sport. You can see that each piece features an enclosed weight stack. This limits access to moving parts. Keep in mind that you should fully insert the selector pin into the stack. Otherwise, it may damage the machine by hitting the opening in the tower when the stack starts moving. In looking at the stack, you'll notice that there are two sets of numbers on the weight plates. The numbers on the left are in consecutive order and are meant to be a simple reference for the user. For some people, it's easier to remember they lifted 5 plates versus 35 pounds. The numbers on the right refer to the pounds being lifted. Other people keep track of the weight they are lifting because that's what they're used to. Another distinct feature is that each piece requires few, if any, adjustments. With traditional fixed isolated equipment, you usually have to adjust the back pad, seat height, range of motion, leg pads, etc. These adjustments are there to stabilize your body and isolate the muscle group you intend to work out. We intentionally left a lot of these adjustments and stabilizer pads off. Because Freemotion is designed to be functional, we want you to stabilize your body as you perform exercises and movement patterns. You engage your core and recruit stabilizer muscles to effectively burn more calories. Without adjustments, it's easy for clients to get on and start moving. Similar to traditional strength equipment, Each piece allows you to do the basic muscle-specific exercises. Notice the names of each piece. With the chest machine, you can do a basic seated chest press. With the lat machine, a lat pull down, and bicep curls on the bicep machine. This helps to eliminate any confusion for clients who are used to the machine dictating the exercise, just beginning to work out, or unfamiliar with free motion. We've also included an exercise placard that shows you how to get started. Each placard shows the basic exercise and offers some variations and progressions on how a person can add more diversity to their workout. Each piece in the free motion line offers incredible opportunities for exercise variation. This gives you the ability to keep your client's training experience fun with new exercises and continuously challenge them to reach higher fitness goals. In the next section, we're going to take you through each piece of free motion equipment and how you can progress a client through various exercises. Right now, let's go through some overall principles of progressing an exercise. In general terms, we're going to go from simplified to intensified. We can add challenges to stability, progressing from 2 arms or legs to 1 arm or leg, and adding rotation through multiple planes of motion. This helps to keep clients engaged in their workout, looking forward to their next session and coming back to the club. We'll use the chest machine as an example. Most clients know they can walk up to the chest machine and do a chest press. When the client is able to perform a basic 2-handed chest press with their back on the pad, one way to add progression is to have them sit with their back off the pad. This way, they aren't relying on the back pad to maintain posture. By removing this level of stabilization, the client needs to engage their core to keep the resistance from bringing them back against the seat. From there, you can have them stand up and do the same 2-handed chest press. By adding exercise diversity, you can build fun, dynamic programs that keep them looking forward to new challenges. Each piece in the free motion line gives you the option of performing single arm or single leg exercises. When you're using both hands, you're pushing the full amount of the weight shown on the stack. When doing single side or alternating exercises, you're only pushing half the weight. Thank you for joining us on this introductory tour of the features and benefits of our free motion circuit.